Welcome to the future.
Welcome to the Muxall Open Internet of Things video blog. I am your host, Michael Crane. Today's video is a follow-up from video number 5 regarding an email I received from Seed Studio the day after we ordered our main and button PCBs. So I got an email from Seed Studios, and it looks like my export didn't have any drill files in it. So they want me to go ahead and generate them a drill file and in this Excel format and re-upload to continue with production. Unfortunately, it doesn't say if they want me to re-upload the whole zip file or just the drill file. I don't know. We'll have to take a look. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up their website here. So I'll just click on this guy here. All right. And, okay, waiting revised file. Interesting. So, I guess I know the button didn't file didn't have any drill file in it either. At least I don't think it does. So I checked the button Gerbers, and yeah, there's no drill file in here either. So my guess is the Seed Studios started processing this first order, because there's two orders, one for the main PCB and then one for the buttons. Got stuck, sent me this email, and didn't bother to even look at the second one yet. So I'm guessing that I'm going to, as soon as I re-upload, whatever this means, I'm guessing they'll check it and then move on to this one and send me another email telling me that this one's missing a drill file as well. And what's interesting is there's a re-upload file link right here for this main PCB, but there's not for not for the button. So I can't be proactive and automatically, fix this one as well. So anyway, so let's pull up our PCB here. And yeah, that was my bad. I didn't even think about it when we were exporting the Gerbers. So I want to come down here, this NC drill file. I'll do both layers. Just auto-generate this tool thing. Let's preview it. Yep, that looks good. Close that. Export. Put it in the main. PCB Gerbers directory here, so save. And close that. And I guess we might as well do our button while we're thinking about it, because we know that's going to be next. So let's go ahead and open our buttons. File, export, drill file. And just auto-generate these guys. Export all. Put it in the button files. Okay. And that should be it. Okay, so let me shrink this guy down. All right. So we need to go ahead and re-zip this guy up. So this is the buttons. You can see the drill file here. We can look at it real quick if you want. This is that format they were talking about in this Excel format. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but if you go to Google that, and you'll find a wiki page and a little example of this. Anyway, yeah, so that's what it looks like, just for their CNC machine. All right. Okay, so I'm going to right click on this. We want to, oops, where is it? Send to zip file. And, oh. So, it's still the version 4 board, but now it's a second version of the version 4 board, so I'm just going to put 2. I hope that's not going to just confuse everyone to death. But we'll see. At least it's on the video, so we've captured it. All right, let's go to our main. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Okay, so yeah, did it. Take a look at it real quick. Yep, looks okay. All right, let's go send him to a zip file. So this guy is what? Version 8, right? Yeah. Version 8_2. Okay, so we zip those guys up. Let's squish this down. Click on re-upload. All right. Re-upload. There we go. Hardware. See, we want the main PCB. Yep. _2, version 8_2. Open. And looks like it's uploading. Confirm. Oh, and by the way, earlier I tried just to re-upload the drill file by itself, and that did not work. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled up the our GitHub software repository. I should just say repository because we're storing binaries in here as well. And I was looking at the hardware, and it dawned on me that _2 that I added on the zip files is probably not going to be correct, because GitHub's going to look at that as a completely different zip file and not a replacement for this. So what we need to do is come back to our Explorer window here. I'm just going to delete the old zip files. Delete. Those are the ones without the drill file. All right. And delete. Okay. I'm just going to rename these to back to what they should be. Well, at least what they should be in GitHub. All right. So rename. Okay. So now we need to check these in. So let's see here. I want to upload files. Choose. We want these two. Open. All right. We're going to create a new branch called Muxall Patch 1. Okay. Let's see. Added. All right. Maybe that's too long. There we go. Create pull request. All right. Merge pull request. Confirm. Delete the branch. All right. All right. Let's go see what's happened. So, hardware. Huh. Well, that's odd. It just says added files via upload, but it didn't take our our comment. Did something wrong. Okay, well, I'm going to poke around a little bit. I'll be back in a minute. All right, well, if you guys are watching this, you're probably screaming at me. I was wondering what happened to our files, and I actually added the files to the wrong directory, it looks like. Well, no. I did it a second time just playing around, and it's interesting is it got the right comment this time. I just put them in the wrong directory, which is not good. So now I'm going to have to delete these files. So let's see here. Let's see. Here we go. Delete this file. Commit. And delete this file. And commit. Okay. One last time. So click on hardware. I want to upload. Choose. I can grab our 2 zip files again. Open. Okay. All right. Got our comment. Well, I wonder if it didn't like this slash. I don't think I put that slash in there last time. I think I just put added drill files. So let's take that slash out. Create a new branch. Propose changes. Okay. Still has my comments in there. Create pull request. All right. Everything's okie dokie. Confirm. All right. Delete. Okay. Let's see what's happened. Okay, good. They're not in the in the root directory anymore. Let's go to hardware. Oh. See? I am truly baffled what's going on here. Well, I don't know. I don't know why it's not working. Doesn't even look like it updated these guys, so yeah, I don't know. Try refreshing. Nope. Well, I'll have to get back to you. Well, it's been a couple weeks since we ordered our PCBs from Seed Studio and uploaded our zip files to GitHub. I'm just now getting around to looking at why our comments were not getting saved. In the last segment, I tried re-uploading the .zip files, and even though GitHub said the files were uploaded, the comments and timestamps didn't change. Then it dawned on me that GitHub probably checks the new file checksum after uploading, and if it's the same as the old file's checksum, GitHub figures it's the same file and just discards the new file. All right. So let's go to our local copy of the GitHub repo and click on the button PCB Gerbers directory. Now let's create a new text file and call it github test.txt. Editing the file, I'll add the text. This is a dummy file for testing GitHub's upload comments for video number 6. Okay, let's save this file. Now let's copy this test file over to our main PCB Gerbers directory. Before we zip our 2 updated directories, we need to delete the old zip files. Okay, now let's create our new zip files. We must name the zip files the same as what was in the repo, otherwise GitHub will treat them as new files and not updated files. Yep. All right, so, okay, let's pull up GitHub. We're on branch 0.3 and in the hardware subdirectory. Clicking on Upload Files, we can select our updated zip files for uploading. Now that our files are uploaded, let's add our comments to the Commit Changes section. Okay. Now let's create a new branch and click on Propose Changes. After processing, we notice that our commit comments were automatically added to our Open a Pull Request comments. Clicking on Create Pull Request brings us to the Pull Request page. Since our temporary branch has no conflicts with our main 0.3 branch, we can click on Merge Pull Request and confirm merge. Now let's delete our temporary branch since it's no longer needed. Scrolling up, let's go back to our main 0.3 branch. Excellent! Our comment added GitHub test files is showing for the hardware folder. Going into our hardware folder, we see that both our zip files also have the correct comments. Very good. So, what's the moral of this story? The moral of this story is the only comments that get listed in the repo by the file names are the comments added in the commit page. Which maybe makes sense, maybe it doesn't. But now we know. Well, that's about it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. That always helps. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments under the video, and I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you next time.